Good morning, students. I'm Today I'm going to teach you our first lesson of course book. The chapter is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Starter. Look at the sets of pictures. Which of these would you choose for yourself? They have to be just right for you. Number 1. Where do you sleep? There are 3 options. Of course, this option is correct. Bed. Second question. What would you bring to your school for lunch? There are 3 options. And the last one is lunch box. That is correct. Okay. Now, read this story. Goldilocks is on a picnic with her family. But she wanders away. She is lost. I will find myself. Goldilocks thinks itself that I will find it my way. She sees a small cottage. Hello, is anyone home? The door is open. She walks in. Goldilocks is hungry. She looks into the kitchen and sees 3 bowls of porridge. Porridge, a healthy dish made of oat and milk. Okay? Goldilocks tries the porridge in the first bowl. Too hot. This porridge is very hot and he can't able to eat. So she tries. Goldilocks tries the porridge in the second bowl. Too cold. Finally, Goldilocks tries the porridge in the third bowl. Yum! This bowl is perfect. Goldilocks eats and puts the bowl in the kitchen sink. Do you know kitchen sink? Where the mothers keep the utensils for washing. Okay? Next page. Goldilocks she wants to sit in a comfortable chair. She sees 3 chairs. Look here, children. One is yellow, red and green. She tries the first chair. Too high. First chair is very high, so he can't comfortable. Second, she tries the second chair. Too big. It is also big and he could not manage on it. So she tries the third chair. It's green. This chair is just right. Means this chair is perfect for her. But the chair breaks. Unfortunately, the chair breaks and he falls from the chair. Goldilocks is sleepy. He feel sleepy, so she sees 3 beds. She tries the first bed. Too hard. First bed is very don't feel comfortable, so she tries the second bed. Too soft. She tries the third bed. Wow, this bed is just right. This bed is perfect for her, so he feel comfortable on that bed. She is fast asleep when Mama Bear, Papa Bear and Baby Bear come home. Someone ate my porridge and broke my chair. Baby Bear sees the condition of his room and find out someone has already eaten. Who has eaten the porridge? Of course, Goldilocks. And who broke the chair? Same. Okay. Next, they go to the bedroom. Someone is sleeping in my bed. Baby Bear told that someone sleeping Someone is sleeping in my bed. Goldilocks wakes up. Who are you? Asked the father bear. I am Goldilocks. I lost my way when I came here for help. I am Goldilocks. I lost my way. I came here for help. We saw someone looking for a little girl. Baby bear, can you please take this little girl to her family? I am sorry for breaking your chair. It's all right. Goldilocks thanks the bears. She is very happy to go back to her family. Now, here the chapter is finished, and this story is moving around a small girl whose name is Goldilocks.